Well, it's like 12:40 and I've been really lazy this morning. It's my birthday! Come on, people! No. But I've been really lazy this morning. It's like 12:40 and we're up in Atlantic getting stuff for my cake and we're gonna have creme brulee. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's really good. I think I might have actually talked about it in a vlog before this. Anyway, so we're getting stuff for all that. Got about half our grocery list. Or maybe a little bit more.
Cream, eggs. You need the
These
whipped
are
cream.
the best ever.
Okay, well,
Oh, okay,
they're
I don't
very
know.
good.
I don't
They're not
know.
so
They're the best. I've actually never had that kind. I've only had vanilla. I've only had vanilla and chocolate and strawberry. But I know they're good. I love that wafers. We're gonna try the cookies and cream first. Okay, test. Okay. I don't know. These are really good. Yep, they're very good. Mom's gonna try it.
It's good.
She doesn't like being on my vlogs.
No.
Now for the maple syrup test run. They smell good. That one's really good. Now we're at the library because Sam wanted to see if they had some audiobooks. So I decided to just sit in the car while they went and got what they wanted. We're home now and Mom and Abby are making an ice cream bar cake, which is really good. This is the first time I've ever had it for my birthday, but Bree's had it for hers a few times. And I'm gonna go shave. Ready? Boom. I feel much better. I just can't stand it when my beard gets like long and fuzzy and I just don't like it. Emily made enchilada soup, which is basically enchilada, everything that goes in enchiladas minus the tortillas. But what I like to do is rip up tortillas into small chunks and put it in the bowl. And then it's really good. And if you've ever had our enchiladas, they're the best enchiladas there ever was. Big Fat John.
I can't
like
never
stiff
smell
and support.
spoiled milk. I ate some cereal yesterday.
He's like, would you stop it?
Sunday. I ate some bowl of cereal and it had.
Did I knock your head out of joint?
Bad when I was eating my
You are
cereal.
so fat.
It was this. It
He
was
weighs
like
14
vinegar.
pounds. And he
This is what my cake looks like. It
Yeah.
looks really good. And I always put sour cream on my ice cream. Not kidding, I hate sour cream.
Which one?
Hi, Lane.
How small? Like that?
Hi, Lane. I don't.
That might be more.
Caitlin, did you get new kitties?
Yeah.
What's their names?
Mama, Sarah and Dinosaur.
What?
Sarah and Dinosaur.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mom decided she was hungry, so she's gonna eat some ice cream. Elena, is that yummy? Lena.
Grandma was being naughty. She took the whole thing and she shouldn't eat all of it.
What?
What
What Grandma do?
She took the whole cake and ate it.
The whole thing?
Yeah, look it.
So Josh decided it would be a fun idea to try and make a muzzle brake for muzzleloader. So we're gonna try that. Doss likes to be out with the guys. Doss. What we're thinking is these will go in here like this. Obviously not that uneven, but then the bullet will come out this end, and in this end we'll weld all of them and then drill the hole so that way they're all even. Ouch! There went a buzz in my hair. That looks pretty cute. What do you think, Doss?
Volcano.
He doesn't really care. Yeah, a little volcano. Alright, we have a prototype. Looks pretty epic. Focus on it. That's just like, it's just taped on there right now. But it does look pretty good. Well, we got it most of the way finished. Got it drilled out to 5/8. Because we figured that would probably be, you know, you don't want to do it at half because it's a 50 cal and then the bullet be touching. So there's a little bit more tolerance at 5/8. I will show you in the next vlog how well it works. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and comment down below, and I'll see you next time.